Hello everyone, good morning and namaste. This is your mathematics teacher Surya Ghalan. I would like to welcome you all once again, okay, as last day one. And today also I have drawn here one topic that you can see easily on the whiteboard. I have written here finding the factors of the type this and this. Today also I have come to you by just taking the same topic for class 9 or grade 9 compulsory mathematics. This topic belongs to first topic in algebraic portion in mathematics. So today we will just talk about the remaining questions as well, and last day whatever I had taught to you, and you can just see that video once again, and then regularly you can see the other questions as well, okay. And today I want to grind some mathematical questions in grinding machine, okay. Grind, yes. Let me just go to the one for first example, and that example is, you can see once, number 1, x to the power 4 plus 9x square y square plus 81 y to the power 4. Last time also we did this kind of questions. Can you remember now? If you haven't watched that video, then you can see that video also once again. And then let's go to the let me revise this thing once again. Now, okay, the similar process here. What is the x to the power 4? X to the power 4 means obviously x square whole square. Okay, and we leave the sum space here, then we go to the last term. That last term is here is given 81 y to the power 4. 81 means 9 square, so 9 we can write only 9, then y square, and by putting the whole square, then that becomes 81 y to the power 4. And in the middle we can think as a minus at first. If it does not work, then we can put plus, similar as structures 1 and 2. First of all, I put here minus, and then 2 is our formula 2 to make the perfect square. 2, a means x square and b means 9y square. Okay, and you must put here the minus because our structure is, in the first one also the last term should be minus, and then in the second structure also last term should be minus. And then now you can test here. X to the power 4 has been already fulfilled, and 81 y to the power 4 also has been already fulfilled, and this is your extra one, that is 9 to the 18. You can just consider only the number 9 to the 18. 18 itself minus, then by putting here minus, can you bring here positive 9x square y square? Never, because negative and negative addition, but the sign remains the same, negative. So you must change here the plus, then 9 to the 18. 9 to the 18, and 18 minus, then from 18 what should be subtracted? Yeah, what should be subtracted from 18 to get the 9? Then obviously you can say 9. So 9x square y square. Why I am putting here 9x square y square this as a base? Because here is also x square y square. They must be like term to each other, otherwise then we cannot subtract. Okay, now these three terms have been changed into the perfect square, that is similar to structure number 1. So we can write this is x square plus, why this is plus? Because this plus 2ab is in the plus, that is why we can put here plus, and 9y square whole square minus, this is the 3xy whole square. Our important thing is belonging in step number 1. If you try to understand the step number 1, hopefully that you will understand the other steps as well. So after this, then everyone can say this is one time plus, another time minus. So 9x square, x square plus 9y square, this is as a plus this is 3xy as a b, a plus b now, and x square plus 9y square, no change, and minus 3xy. This is a minus b. And finally, if you arrange them, then you will see little bit beautiful one. So I am just arranging x square plus 3xy plus 9y square, and x square minus 3xy plus 9y square. This is our final factors, or this is our factorized form, or this is our factorization. Anyone you can address, no problem. Okay, up to here last day we learned. Last day just I had taught you 2 questions for having the 2 terms, and 2 questions we're having the 3 terms. So this is also 3 terms, and the same here plus, and here always plus, no problem. This kind of questions last time also we did. Okay, and just I want to just remind you once again. And now I'm going to the next example, and then you will find and whether we use second one. Still we did among about 5 questions, but only structure 1 is fit. Now I'm going to share you the another question. That question is 2 x to the power 4 minus 11x square plus 1. If I have put here y square, then here should be y to the power 4, because structure should be the same. And this structure and this structure is exactly same, no problem in mathematics. Okay, my students, you can see how many terms are there. Obviously 2 terms. Obviously 3 terms, and this is similar to the second structure. And then here is minus. Before this time we did here only having the plus 1, but now here is minus. Then how can we do this one? You can see slowly and you will grab the meaning. X square whole square, this is x to the power 4, and we leave the sum space here and we go to the last means this plus, and 1 is square number also, 1 is cube number also. That's why I have put here 1 square. Why? 1 square is itself 1. And in the middle we just think at first minus 2ab. If it does not work, then we can change it into the plus. It is very easy. Yeah? So at first we should remember, we should just think here is minus. 2 is the formula 2, because in the middle we can see 2ab. 2ab is one time plus, another time minus, but which one is the appropriate one we cannot confirm now. And by looking all this value, then we can come to the point. So 2 is the formula 2, then a means x square, b means 1. Okay, 2 1s are 2. Just you can see 2 1s are 2 again. Okay, automatically here is the minus, no problem, you can put the minus. Then try to fill up, try to understand the meaning. 2 1s are 2. Just only you can see the 2. And to make the minus 11, here is minus 2. What should be put here? I mean, what we insert the value here? Obviously, minus 2 is our already this minus, and to become minus 11, you must put here what? 9. Why? 9 and 2 is minus 9, minus 2, minus 9. Whenever we add these 2 things, then that becomes what? Minus 11. That minus 11 is in the middle one. That's why here is minus 9. And what is this then? X square. To make the like term, then we must put there 9x square. Now you I think you have understood this thing. See, minus 2 and minus 9 automatically finally we get the value minus 11. Because this is already fulfilled and this is already fulfilled, this one is our extra value. That extra value, and by putting here a minus, these two, by just merging these two, we need to bring the middle one. So here is the minus 11. Minus 11 is minus 2 and plus 9. Sorry, minus 9. That is equal to minus 11. We understand. But sir, why you may have the question, why you don't change this minus into the plus? Let me give the reason. See, if you write here x square whole square, and at first plus you write 2 into x square into 1 plus 1 square, no problem, because this is the, if you say here is the plus 2, to bring here minus 11, you must put here minus, no problem, but 2 minus how much value you put here so that you can get the value minus 11. We know that's 13. 2 minus 13 is minus 11. We understand. But if you put here plus, then what comes here? 13 x square. Is it right or wrong? Minus automatically coming is right. But what is this coefficient? What is this value? You check here please. This is what? 13. Is 13 perfect square number? No. That is why what the number we bring here, that number must be the perfect square number. That is, 1, or after 1 then what comes? Perfect number, perfect square number, 4, then after 9, and 9, then after, then we can say 16, then 25, then 36, okay? Like this. If we bring some number here, that number must be like this. Why? Because these are our perfect square number. Now you can, see the whiteboard now. This is also nice one. This is also nice one. But this is, according to our purposes, this is okay. But this is not okay. But according to mathematics, then this is also fulfilled one. Why? Because this is already okay and this one already okay, and 13 minus 2 or minus 13 plus 2, that means 2 minus 13 also is equals to what? Minus 11. But why this plus is not appropriate one? If you put here plus, you must put here what? Minus. You must put here minus, and the number must come here 13. 13 is not our perfect square number. That is why here is a minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 9, that is minus 11. Thus equal. And so then second step, we can easily understand this 3 step, x square minus 1 whole square, because x square we can take, why here is minus? Because minus 2ab is in the minus, and structure a square minus 2ab plus b square, that meaning is, we know that is a minus b whole square and minus c square. After this, then we can easily see the factorized form. Directly or indirectly, knowingly or unknowingly, these two structures I have said to you as a structures, but remember please, these two questions play the vital role in class 10 as well. Okay, and these questions again will appear to you. I have put here only as a structure, but these two are the direct or indirectly, they are the very beautiful questions. So we are just striking one questions, but these also automatically coming in our mind. So x square minus 1 whole square, because this is a minus b whole square, then if you expand it, then automatically these 3 steps comes, and minus this 3x whole square, then our answer is x square minus 1 plus 3x, one time plus x square minus 1 minus 3x. If you arrange them, then you will see x square plus 3x minus 1 and x square minus 3x minus 1. Okay, this is our final answer. And you might have one confusion, you might have confusion here. If here is minus, then automatically here minus, okay? Are you remembering like that? No. I will put the, another example, then you will be, clear about this. Once again, I want to rub the, previous one. I rub this one, then again I am going to give you the similar questions for the 3, having here minus. But if here is minus, then here is always minus. If you think like that, that is 101% incorrect. We will prove it. Okay, now question number 3, I'm going little bit quickly. You are getting the point, I hope so. And number 3, you can say a power 4 minus 3a square b square plus b power 4. Yes, this is also exactly similar to this structure and having the here minus, no problem. If here is minus, then 2ab is always minus. Is it right or wrong? Let's see what happens. Let's see. This is a square whole square, no doubt. We leave the sum space here, similar one, and b square whole square, that is b power 4 automatically. And at first we think here minus 2ab. If minus 2ab is not appropriate one, if we just know that, then finally we can change here plus, no problem. First we can put here minus. 2 means 2 same, a means a square, b means b square. A square plus b square, in the middle minus 2ab. I have fulfilled here 2ab, and this is the extra value, and here must be, here must be the something value we have to put, because by subtracting or by adding, by mixing this number and this number to be what? Minus 3. If you put here minus 2, then what should be, what should be the number here, so that is equal to our minus 3. Obviously, if minus 2 here, then we have to put here minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1 equals to what happens? Minus 3. That is why minus is okay. Now here is a square b square. 1 we should not write. If you write, then that's also correct. If you don't write, that's also correct. But a square b square you must write, because here is 2a square b square. To make the minus 3, then minus a square b square we have to put here. Here is also minus, okay. It is because of here minus. No. I have said to you 3 times no. I will give you another example, then you will feel that. No worries, now it's okay. If you put here plus, then what happens? That is your meaning. If you put here 2a square like b square like this, here is b square whole square. In the front one we have seen a square whole square. If you very quickly, here may be plus, then always plus. If you put here must be minus, no problem. And 2 is the positive, and minus we have to put here minus. What value you have put here, so that becomes equals to what? Minus 3. Obviously here minus 5. Oh, minus appropriately coming. Here is 5. A square, b square. It's okay. According to symbol, according to sign, it's okay. Here minus coming. It's very nice. It is, beautiful. But what is this number? This is 5. And can you change this 5 in the perfect square form? No. Why? Because we need to put here the values are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Like this number only comes here. So here is mathematically these two are the true. This also true, this also true. And after that, then you can put this is the perfect square, but after this, and you cannot change it into the perfect square one. So this is why wrong. This is why correct. This is correct according to fulfilling one. This is correct, but according to our selfishness, and this is incorrect. Why? You just assume that according to our structure, the last number should be always perfect square number. Okay. If this is wrong and this is right, if you just want to know the right position, you have to make the wrong one. Okay. So these 3 terms are in the perfect square. A square minus b square whole square. Now why? Because a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square, and minus and 1 if you want to put, then that's also okay. Coefficient 1 is hidden one, either putting or No putting same. And now this is AB whole square. And finally we can say A square minus B square one time plus AB. A square minus B square another time minus AB. Okay, and if you arrange them, then A square plus AB plus minus B square, just copying only, A square minus AB plus minus B square. This is our final, factors or factorized form. Now again I want to tell you, here is minus, that is why minus 2AB is always okay. Is it okay? I don't think so. Never. Why? You see, please. I want to give the one another example, then you will be clear about this. And I want to put the here question number 4. This will be the last question, my students. Then after you can just practice. You can see your textbook. Yeah, you go to the textbook, then you can find out the questions. Whatever you find out that questions, then you can easily do. So I want to write the maybe this is the last question. X to the power 4 minus 7x square plus 1. Okay, there are also 3 terms. Having here minus here, then minus 2AB always is right or wrong? I don't know. Let's see. In the single time, in the first step, we will come to the point. Whether here is minus 2AB or plus 2AB. Let's see. This is x square whole square, no doubt. And last you go 1 square, no problem. These 2 already fulfilled. And here always what? Either minus 2AB or plus 2AB. I have put here minus because if it doesn't work, then we can put, we can make it plus. It is very easy. Yeah, minus is very easy to make plus. So 2 is the formula 2 itself. X square is our A, B is our 1. 2 ones are 2. No problem. Here is also minus. My students, very important thing is coming here. Minus 2, yes, just x square you shouldn't read. Just only minus 2. My minus 2. I worship you. I never change this minus. This minus you cannot change plus, never, but you can change here minus or plus. If you say I do not change this minus, then you must put here 5x square. Mathematically, is it correct or incorrect? This is exactly correct according to the fulfillness. Okay, but I don't say this is not correct. Why not correct and what is correct? Why correct and why not correct? You see, minus 2 and minus 5 addition, you easily understand because you are the student of class 9. And minus 2, minus 5, if you add them, then automatically minus 7 comes. No doubt, 7. But what is the problem, my student? Have you seen there? X square, what is the coefficient here? 5. Is 5 square number? You see here? No. Why here is 5 coming? It is because of me? No. It is because of you? No. You have oversaved here minus. Then if you say here minus it is not our appropriate one, it is because of 5. So if you put here then plus, then what is the value here? What is the value here? Obviously, to make minus 7, here must be 9. And x square, it is because of this only like term. And now you see, please, what is this number? This is a number 9. 9 is automatically or obviously this is what? Perfect square. So, my students, we came into the point 1. Yeah, very interesting matter. Before this time, we did the 2 questions, question number 2 and question number 3. Here minus. At that time, minus 2AB, although minus 2AB here, because of here minus, here is the, minus, by looking at 2 examples. Now we came into the point, what? Because of here minus, here again what? Plus. Here is minus, here coming what? Plus. Why? Just you can remember here, by just simplifying this middle one and last number arranging, then we need to bring middle value, this middle value. So that then last number always should be perfect square. Perfect square. So now see, now what happens here then? 2 minus 9. 2 positive minus 9 negative. 2 minus 7 also automatically what? 7. 7 is equal to that minus 7 here is in the middle. That's why having here minus becoming what? Plus. That is why either plus or minus we cannot guarantee at first. You put the value and then you can consider, and you have just got the idea by you looking the structure, then you will understand it. Now x square plus, why here plus? Because here is the plus to ab is the plus. Now b means 1 and whole square minus this is 3x whole square. And finally we can say x square plus 1 plus 3x, very easy. A rest step, very easy my student, and minus 3x, and finally if you arrange them, then x square plus 3x plus 1. This kind of questions will play the vital role in class 10 as well. Okay, in class 9 we are given only factorize, only one topic we are given, but in class 10 again we will learn not factorize, find the HCF and LCM. My students, I have taught you in class 8 also. What is our course nature? In class 8 we learn factorization all part, and then as well as how to find the HCF and LCM. And in class 9 we are given only one factorization term, this kind only, and then finished. And in class 10 again they will again will come to you, they will come to you as find the SCF and LCM. So I'm used to saying that, my students, I'm used to saying that, oh, I know how to find the SCF and LCM, but I don't know how to factorize the algebraic expression. If you speak like that, 100% wrong. That's why be careful while speaking. You have to say, my students, you have to say, I know how to find the factors, or I know how to factorize, or I know how to do the factorization. That is why I know how to find the SCF and LCM as well. So I'm used to saying the one sentence, my students, my grade 9 and 10. I say now grade 9 only here, but I want to say you grade 10 students also. Grade 9 and grade 10 students. One thing please, one sentence is there. A factor or the factor is the main actor of the algebraic theater. Have you got my point? The factor, how to find the factors, very important thing. If you know how to factorize the algebraic expression, then you will be powerful in mathematics. You will be powerful in algebraic theater. The factor is the main actor of the algebraic theater. You know theater? Yes, theater means a place or the place where drama is played. My students, you understood. Actor, maybe like Raji Samal. Who is the Raji Samal here? Factor is the Raji Samal. So you keep this sentence in your mind, then you will be very much powerful. The factor is the main actor of the algebraic theater. That's why if you know how to factorize of the algebraic expression, having the 2 terms or having the 3 terms, having the 4 terms, no problem. It doesn't matter for us. Just you see the structure, you see the questions structure, then you will find the factors form, or you will find the factors of the algebraic expression. So how to speak in front of your teachers and your friends, I had said to you. I said to you. Now again I am saying you, we know how to factorize, that's why we know all how to find the SCF and LCM. This thing looking very simple. In class 9 you are asked only for 2 marks, but it plays the vital role in class 10. My students, try to understand it. So having here minus, here possible what? Plus. Why here plus? Then it is because of me, not it is because of this structure. Okay, and I want to just put the last questions now, and then this is our final. To make it clear again, or to make you clear this one again, I have brought here another question. Last question for us: x to the power 4 minus x square y square plus 16y to the power 4. I have written one question. Okay, you can see here. Having here minus, then what happens? Oh, minus 2ab maybe. Is it? Maybe or may not be. This, can understand in a single step. When we write, then we will find. You see here, please, quickly, x square, you are traveling with me, I am hoping so, square, and this is the last plus n, and 4y square, whole square, okay? Okay, and minus 2ab, first we think minus 2ab, 2a means x square, b means 4y square, and here always minus, no doubt. That's why I have put here little bit long minus. Okay, this is my style. You shouldn't do like that, yeah, because this is not my copy. Now this is this whiteboard, and so I'm putting here little bit long. Now you check here to bring minus 1. This is minus 1. Why this is minus 1? Because 1 x square y square meaning and x square y square meaning is the same. And here is already 4 to the what? 8. Minus 8 already here. Minus 8 already here. Minus 8 already here. By putting minus something here, then can you bring minus 1? Never. Why? Minus 8 minus, if you put even 1, then that becomes minus 9. Am I right, my students? That's why this is not a minus. Who is saying us? Because of this minus and this minus, you can just think in your mind, you can think, and these two value, this is already 8. You cannot drop this 8. You cannot drop, because 4 to the 8 never change. 8 never change. Just changing system, there is one possibility, that is only either minus or plus. If you put here minus, if you worship this minus, then minus 8, minus putting something value. If you put here 1, minus 9, if you put here 4, after 1, then why I'm saying 4, because 1, 4, 9, 16, 20, they are only possible here. They are only possible here. That's why here is not minus. We came to know, we knew now. That's why this is the plus. Then now you can see here, this is the plus 8. You have to bring here what? Minus 1. 8 to be just, minus 1, then minus 9. 8 minus 9, minus 1. How easy. So here is 9x square y square. X square y square is only just like term. Here is x square y square, that's why. Now you can see 8 minus 9 is minus 1, because our focus point is this and this only. And we do not focus on this one. We do not focus on this one. Why? Because these two have been already fulfilled. Now I think you have understood the point. If here is minus, then always here minus. This is the wrong concept. If here minus, then here possible plus. If here minus, then here possible minus. No problem. It depends upon the what? Questions value. You put there, then you can just think and you will come to the point. These three terms you can say x square plus 4y square whole square minus this is 3xy whole square. After this, then you can easily find out the answer. You can find out the answer. Always 4 steps, because 1 time plus 1 time minus. Thank you very much, this much. And I would like to say you all, please, if you like my video or this teaching style, then I would like to say you all like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And then if you have any queries or if you have any questions regarding this topic and regarding another topic, then you can inbox me in my in the down one or in my message also, message box also. So thank you very much, and keep watching, stay safe, and keep practicing mathematics. Thank you.